Today we can learn about Vallam Kali, that is boat game performed in Kerala. Vallam Kali is a traditional boat race in Kerala. It is the form of canoe racing and was paddled war canoe. It is mainly conducted during the seasons of the harvest festival Onam in spring. Vallam Kali include races of many kinds of paddled longboats and snake boats. The race of Chundan Vallam, that is snake boat about 30 to 35 meters long with 64 or 128 paddlers aboard, is the major event. Hence, Vallam Kali is also known as snake boat race and is a major tourist attraction. Other type of boats which do participate in various events in the race are Churulan Vallam, Iruttukudi Vallam, Odi Vallam, Veppu Vallam, Vadakkanodi Vallam and Kochu Vallam. In Kerala, during the early 13th century, war between feudal kingdoms of Kayangulam and Chempakacheri, King Devanarayana of Chempakacheri commissioned the construction of a war boat named Chundan Vallam, and he tasked a famous carpenter on the day with the responsibility of the creating it. Hence, the technical methods of the creating these snake boats are around 8th century old. Of the snake boat still in use today, the Parthasarathi Chundan is the oldest model. We can look some small overview of some important boat races. The Nehru Trophy Boat Tri Race or Champion Boat League is the popular Vallam Kali held in Punnamada Lake near Alappuzha, Kerala. The boat race was inaugurated in 1952 by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The winner was awarded a trophy in the name of Jawaharlal Nehru. This is ranked 4th of all sports league in India with the prize money of the 5.9 crores. The Aranmula boat race is the oldest river boat festival in Kerala. The southwestern state of India is held during Onam. It takes place at Aranmula near Hindu temple dedicated to the Lord Krishna and Arjuna in Pathanamthitta district. Its name of a ritual conducted on the birthday of the Arjuna. Then a race event. The snake boat more in pairs to the rhythm of full-throated singing and shouting watched by an exciting crowds. The President Trophy boat race is a popular boat race held in Ashtamudi Kayal in Kollam city on 1st November every year. On the day marks the birth of Kerala known as Kerala Piravi Dinam. This is the most popular of the races to be held during the season of the harvest festival Onam in autumn on Ashtamudi Lake in Kollam. The Kalada Jalotsavam is a popular Vallam Kali held on the Kalada river at Munre Thuruthu in Kollam district on 28 days after Onam, that is 28th Onam. The boat race is conducted along the straight portion, that is Nettiyam, of Kalada river. The Chembakulam Moolam boat race is one of the oldest Vallam Kali. It is conducted after the Aranmula boat race. The race is held on the river Pamba on Moolam day of the Malayalam month Mithunam. The day of the installation of the deity at the Ambalappuzha Sri Krishna temple, Pariyapat Palaratu or Jalotsavam is a 3-day water festival conducted in Pariyapad Lake, 6 kilometers from Haripad. There is a close relation between the Pariyapad Vallamkali and Haripad Sri Subramania Swami temple. Kannati Vallamkali is conducted in Kannati backwater. Kannati is situated in the outskirts of the Karunagapalli, Kollam district. Further, Kandasan Kadavu boat race conducted in Thrissur. Thirupprayar boat race conducted in Thirupprayar, Thrissur district. Kumarakom boat race conducted in Kottayam district. Sri Narayana boat race conducted in Karunagapalli, Kollam district. Tazhathangadi boat race conducted in Kottayam district. Kedurath boat race conducted in Periyar river at Ernakulam district. Piravu boat race conducted in Muvattupuzha river in Ernakulam district. Now we look at Vanchipattu. Vanchipattu is a form of poetry in Malayalam language, commonly used during Vallamkali and related festivals. During Aranmula Uttartadi Vallamkali, the Vanchipattu is performed by the participants for its significance in the ritual. Ramapurathu warrior is considered to be the pioneer of the Vanchipattu. The singers lead the Vanchipattu with the chorus will repeat and they more the chorus in circular form according to the rhythm. Usually the selection will be the form Kuchala Vritam Vanchipattu. Some lyrics are for you.
Tira